Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change video size in DaVinci Resolve. This is essential when you need to adjust your video dimensions or remove those black bars that sometimes appear around your footage. Let's get straight into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed for resizing your video. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Inspector. This panel is where you control all the properties of your selected clip. Within the inspector, click on Video. This section gives you access to all the transform controls for your footage. To resize your video size, all you need to do is adjust the zoom level. You'll see a slider that you can interact with. Simply drag your mouse to the left to zoom out or drag it to the right to zoom in, and this will resize the video accordingly. Alternatively, you can input a specific number directly if you prefer precise control. For example, entering 0.5 will scale your video to half its original size. Now, if you want to resize the black bars around your video so they don't appear in your final output, look at the left top of the screen and click on Media Pool. This is where all your imported media lives. Find the video clip that's currently on your timeline and right-click on it. This brings up a menu with several options. From that menu, hover over Timelines and then click on Timeline Settings. A new window will pop up with various configuration options. Here, you'll need to uncheck Use Project Settings. This allows you to customize the resolution specifically for this timeline. You'll then see a field that says for 1920 by 1080, processing, or whatever your current resolution is. Simply change the numbers in this field to match your desired output dimensions. Next, locate the mismatched resolution option. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Center Crop with no resizing. This setting ensures that your video fills the frame properly without those unwanted black borders. And that's it. You've successfully changed the video size in DaVinci Resolve and eliminated any black bars around your footage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.